Wish you very good morning, students. Hope you all are good. Students, today we are going to start a new grammar topic, punctuation. So, what is the meaning of punctuation? Let's have a look. Punctuation are the marks or symbols used in writing to separate parts of sentences and make the meaning of it clear. Make the meaning of sentence more clear. They also help us to understand and read the sentence correctly. Can you identify these punctuation marks? What are these? Let's have a look. First of all, we have capital letters. Capital letters, a sentence will always begin with a capital letter. For example, she is going to the market. Here, the word she is beginning with capital letter S. All the special names will also begin with a capital letter. For example, Amrita is going to Jaipur with Shaina. Here, in the word Amrita, A, in Jaipur, J, in Shaina, S. All these three letters are capital. The pronoun I is written in capital letter wherever it appears. For example, Sheena and I are sisters. Here you can see I is coming in between the sentences, in between the sentence. Even then we have used capital I. So you have to remember, you have to write capital I wherever it comes, whether it is beginning of the sentence or mid of the sentence. Now see, few more places are there where we use capital letter, like names of people and pets. Okay, if the name of people and pet is coming, their first letter will be capital with I. As I told you, with the names of places also we put first letter capital. Names of holidays like Sunday and winter breaks, or any type of festivals name where we have holiday, then we put capital first letter. With the names of weeks like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, months name January, February, etc., we put always capital first letter. Where do we put full stop? Full stop, every sentence that is a statement ends with a full stop. Whenever our sentence finishes, we have to put a full stop over there. For example, I am watching a movie. Here our sentence finishes, so we will put a full stop here. Where do we put question mark? If a sentence is asking a question, it will end with a question mark. Like, what are you doing? Here you can see question is being asked, so you will put here a question mark. Here are so many other questions in the picture, as you can see. Now, where do we put comma? Comma is used to separate three or more words in a list. For example, I love mango, apple, grapes and banana. Here you can see list of fruits is given and these are more than 3. So we have separated them putting a comma. See few more examples. My favorite fruits are apple, banana and strawberry. Here more than 3 words are there, so we have separated them putting comma. So comma is used to separate 3 or more words in a list. Here also you can see few more examples. Comma is used after introductory words such as yes, no, well, hello, etc. Example, hello, how are you going? How are you doing? Comma is also used for giving a short pause in a sentence. A lot of people, young and old, rich and poor. met the saint. Here, while speaking also you can notice we have given a pause. So wherever we have given a pause, we have stopped a while, there we have to put a comma. Here we have an exercise. Let's practice it. When is your birthday? So in first sentence, what you have to do? You have to put capital W. And here you can see question is being asked. So you will put a question mark. I love ice cream. Here I will be capital, and at the end of the sentence you will put a question mark. My mom and I went to the park. Here in my M will be capital and I also will become capital. At the end we will put full stop. We had pizza for lunch. In V, W will be capital and at the end of the sentence we will have a full stop. Ram, Shyam and Radha are playing. Here you can see we have three names. Name with the names of people. We put first letter capital. So Ram with in the word Ram R, Shyam S and Radha R again will be capital and at the end we will put a full stop. Here this is solved for you. Now, what is exclamation mark? Have a look. Wow, what a cute baby. Here you can see after wow we have put a mark that is called exclamation mark. And thereafter also at the end we have put the same mark. Alas, the cat is dead. Alas is used to show sorrow. Here exclamation mark you can see it has been indicated. We use exclamation mark at the end of a word or sentence to show strong feelings such as surprise, anger or joy, etc. Now you have book exercise part that is given on page 73. Here you have nothing to do, only rules are given. So we have already discussed about rules. So let's move on. 74 page. Here part E A is given. Rewrite these sentences using capital letters, full stop and question marks. So here you have to correct the given sentences. Like in part 1 you can see number 1, Shiba and Hari are cousins. So in the word Shiba and Hari, S and H will be capital and at the end you have to put full stop. In the same way you have to correct the given sentences. In part B we have correct the mistakes in the sentences and rewrite them. The tiger has many stripes on its body. Here question mark is given, though it's a mistake because it is a simple sentence. So in place of question mark you have to put full stop. Then we have Lata Mangeshkar is a famous singer. So in Lata L and Mangeshkar M will be capital. In the same way you have to rectify the mistakes and you have to write correct symbols. Now you have homework pages. Here you have points to remember which are rules of punctuation which we have discussed, but you have to write them in the notebooks also. So these are the rules and now this is the page of practice for you. So this you have to do in your notebook. So that's all for now. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.